In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in TradingView. If you analyze markets in one currency but think in another, this quick setting will make your charts much easier to read. Changing the currency in TradingView updates the chart's price scale and readouts to your preferred currency using live foreign exchange rates. It doesn't change the underlying instrument or your brokerage account, it simply converts what you see so your levels, indicators, and labels are displayed in the units that make sense to you. First, look to the upper right area of your chart toolbar. You'll see the current currency displayed, usually as a short code like USD, EUR, GBP, or another unit. Click that label. It can be next to the symbol information and time frame, and on some layouts it appears as a small drop-down with the current currency. A single click will open the currency selector. Next, choose the currency you want from the list. Pick the unit you prefer to view prices in, and TradingView will do the math automatically. After you make your selection, watch the price scale on the right edge of the chart update, along with tooltip values and data boxes. If the market you're viewing is already quoted in the currency you selected, you may not notice a large visual change. That just means you were already looking at prices in that unit. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't immediately see the currency control, make sure you're in the chart view rather than a full-screen indicator window, and check the top toolbar on the right side. Availability can vary by symbol and data source, so if a particular currency is grayed out or missing, that conversion might not be offered for that market. To switch back later, open the same menu and choose the original option, often labeled Same as Symbol, to display the native pricing again. Remember that this is purely a display preference. Your alerts, drawings, and levels will keep their positions, but their value labels will reflect the currency you selected. This can be especially helpful for planning risk, journaling trades, or sharing charts with teammates who use a different base currency. That's all there is to it. Click the current currency at the top right, then select the one you want. With that small change, your charts become far more intuitive, and your analysis becomes faster and more consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.